Everyone, Paul Akers. I'm going to do a quick video on how I manage my wood because I burn a fair amount of wood. I have an airtight in my home. It heats my home. I love wood heat. And I've made a lot of innovative improvements on how I manage and store wood in my house, at my property, and down in the yard. So here you go, real quick. First of all, there's my airtight. I have a gas starter on this. So that's really, really cool. I built it in the backside. Then I have temporary wood storage right here. I built a beautiful little galvanized box on the inside of the cabinet. I built all the cabinets. And so that stores there. And to a large extent, that's more decorative because I'll show you how I get the wood into there. If you walk out any door in my house, there is wood stored up against the rocks. I did concrete work. I put a pole that's removable, and you can see all the wood is neatly stacked under these big eaves, so nothing ever gets wet. And look, I've got a place to walk right here, so I can walk all the way around. I even laid ferns in there, so all my wood is nicely stacked against rock work all the way around. So it's very, very cool. It's very easy. Now, I'm kind of running out right here. I need to put some more in it, but I'm gonna burn it all first. Then I made this really cool cart. And this cart, well, actually I bought the cart and then I put wood on there. And so that allows me to grab that and take it through the house without making any mess or dropping any clippings because I have that wood frame. Now I have fire pits everywhere in my house. I have one here, I have one down below, I have the great big one in the Japanese garden. Then I have the next storage, that beautiful wood shed down there, and then I have the other wood pile which you saw in my video that I did yesterday. So I have lots of great places to keep wood and very easy access. You notice I asphalted all that so I can run my Kubota on there and bring the wood up to the house very easily without rutting out the lawn and everything else. So that's how I manage my wood, and it's a pretty cool system and it works awesome. So when we're sitting out here, we like to have a fire sometimes in this little fire pit, just a little small one. So now I built in this beautiful barbecue and wood storage right underneath here, which is just really, really cool. So we just go there to there. So we never struggle to have a fire and enjoy the ambiance of being outside in the beautiful Pacific Northwest.